Hello all. We will be now discussing on a next topic, jumble sentences. Jumble sentences mainly consists of a series of mismanaged or untied sentences written in some random manner. Our task is to read and understand all these sentences and accordingly reunite or rearrange them in a meaningful and logical order making correct sense. Let's take a general question. Arrange the below mentioned sentences in a coherent and logical order. 1. The whole area was covered with smoke. 2. Flames were oozing out of the windows of the house. 3. All the neighbors were feeling pity about the victim. 4. The firemen were busy pacifying the flames. 5. But the suffering family acted very strongly and bore the shock with full courage. You are given with 4 options, A, B, C, and D. And the correct option is option A. The correct way of writing the sentence in a coherent manner is, the whole area was covered with smoke. 1. The flames were oozing out of the windows of the house. 2. The firemen were busy pacifying the flames. 4. All the neighbors were feeling pity about the victim. 3. But the suffering family acted very strongly and bore the shock with full courage. 5. Now the rules for jumbled sentences. Try to find out the topic explained in the paragraph or in the sentence. This can be done by looking for words that are repeated frequently in the sentence. Next, if a specific word is repeated more than one sentence, then the sentences can be placed one by one in the paragraph. If a sentence starts with a name of a person, then the sentence will surely be the first sentence in the paragraph. If a sentence starts with pronoun other than you and I, then definitely that sentence will not be the first sentence in the paragraph. The sentence starting with words that, these, thus, and those will not come first in the paragraph. If an article is present at the starting of a sentence, then the chances of that sentence to be the first in the paragraph is more. If all articles are present as the starting words of different sentences, then they are arranged as follows. The sentence starting with A comes first. The sentences starting with an and the will follow the sentence starting with A. If there are 3 sentences starting with but, so, and now, then these 3 sentences will be arranged in the following order. First, the sentence starting with but, followed by so, then by now. If a given set of sentences consists of simple, compound, and complex sentences, they are arranged in the following manner. First, simple sentence. A sentence consisting of only one clause with a single subject and a verb. For example, Rohan waited for a cab. Then, compound sentence. A compound sentence is a sentence that consists 2 independent clauses connected to one another with a conjunction. For example, Rohan waited for the cab, but the cab was late. Complex sentence. A sentence that consists of an independent clause and one or more dependent clauses connected to it. For example, Rohan realized that the cab was late while he waited at the car stop. Or while he waited at the cab stop, Rohan realized that the cab was late. The last rule, if a sentence starts with words like hence, finally, or therefore, then that sentence comes last in the paragraph. Let's take an example. You are given 4 sentences A, till date it has no cure. B, corona outbreak is the most deadly virus in human history. C, research is still at large to find the cure. D, it has taken numerous lives in America. What is the correct order of sentences? The correct order is option D. And the correct order is first sentence B. Corona outbreak is the most deadly virus in human history, followed by sentence D. It has taken numerous lives in America. Then C, research is still at large to find the cure. And last, A, till date, it has no cure. So the correct option is B, D, C, A. So I hope this session on jumbled sentences have been helpful for you. Thank you for watching.